Hello, good morning, Miss. My name is Shuhaida. The reason I came here is that I would like to apply for a loan here for my business, the Sweet Sensations Bakery. The bakery has been operating for around 10 years, and there are already 2 branches located in Sungai Petani Kedah and Bayan Baru, Penang. Hence, I decided to open another new branch in Kuala Lumpur as there are quite a few demands from the customers.
Hi and good morning, Miss Shahida. Welcome to my bank. I'm Miss Shafika as a financial advisor. So, I will guide Miss with an explanation about the loan package available at my bank and suggest a suitable package for your need. May I know what is the purpose of Miss to make this loan and how much loan that you want to borrow?
So, my main reason to borrow the loan is to open a new branch for my bakery business, and I want to borrow around 100,000 ringgit as additional capital. The additional capital will be used to buy some equipments and do some renovations for my shops, such as buying new furniture, ovens, mixers, and cooking utensils. Hence, my business revenue is also around 750,000 ringgit per year.
Okay, note that. For your information, Maybank has provided various types of personal loan for its customer. Based on your situation, I would like to recommend a Maybank personal loan package for you because this package is available for customers who want to make a loan from 5k to 100k and the repayment period of 2 until 6 years for each loan. This package is easy to manage because we do not require a guarantor or collateral from us before applying this loan.
Wow, that package sounds interesting. I would like to borrow for around 3 years. And how much is the interest for those 3 years that I need to pay?
If the amount to be borrowed is between 50,000 until 100,000 ringgit, Maybank has established an annual interest rate of 6.5%. So, that means agree with the time period you have chosen based on interest rate that we have set?
I agree with the interest rate. Moreover, the interest rate is more reasonable than the other banks. So, what are the documents that are required in order to borrow the loan? And how long will it take for the loans to be approved? Moreover, do I need to pay for the extra charges for the processing fee if my loan is approved?
Alright, Miss. In order to apply for this package, we need a copy of your identity card, business registration, the latest Form B with official tax receipt, and the latest 6-month bank statement. This loan approval will be processed in 48 hours and you don't have to pay any charge if the loan is passed. Also, this package offers insurance coverage from Maybank Takaful Insurance and can choose to accept or not when the loan passes.
Oh, I see. Alright, done. So here are the details of the document about my business for you to examine. I will think and decide later whether to add the Takaful insurance or not. Thank you for informing me about the insurance.
My pleasure, Miss. We will contact you later when the process is complete. Next, I will meet our credit analyst department to evaluate your loan. Thank you for choosing Maybank, Miss.
Thank you too. It was a pleasure to work with you.
Miss Farah, here is the document of our new client, Miss Shahida, for you to check the creditworthiness analysis of her business.
Alright, Miss Shafika, thank you for the report. Afterwards, I will conduct it with our credit committee's manager, Miss Fazrin. Assalamualaikum and hi Miss Fazrin. I am Farah from the credit analyst department. I would like to explain to you about Miss Shuhaida, our new client, who wished to apply for a business loan for her Sweet Sensation Bakery. The creditworthiness analysis report for her company, in my opinion, is excellent, and it is based on the 5 C's creditworthiness of potential borrowers. Thus, the 5 C's of credit that have been analyzed consists of character, capacity, capital, collateral, and conditions.
Waalaikumsalam and hi Miss Farah. Yes, sure, you can go ahead and explain about the creditworthiness analysis of the Sweet Sensation Bakery.
Firstly, the character. The borrower has owned 2 branches of bakeries for over 10 years and all the bakeries are successful. Based on these facts, the credit history of Ms. Shuhaida's business, which is the reputation and track record for repaying debts, is good and no bankruptcies at all for 10 years. In addition, credit reports also shows the credit score requirement of the business is 750 until 800. Thus, she is good to excellent credit and deserve the loan that she is seeking. Second, the capital. The capital invested by the borrower, which is 100,000 ringgit Malaysia, is enough to cover all the debts and additional capital. The fact that the borrower can put a down payment on her first bakery, thus it is easier to receive a mortgage. This shows that Ms. Shuhaida is really serious in indicating the down payments, which can make us comfortable to extend the credit. Third, capacity. The Sweet Sensation Bakery's revenue is 750,000 ringgit Malaysia annually. Based on this revenue, she will be able to repay the loan amount of 100,000 ringgit Malaysia in 3 years. Furthermore, the debt-to-income ratio of the business is also low, which is around 30% only. Thus, it is qualified for the loan. Next, collateral. The Sweet Sensations Bakery also has enough assets as a backup if they fail to pay back the loan. For instance, in this statement said that Ms. Shuhaida is secured by cars and mortgage are secured by the first and the second bakeries. This can be considered to be less risky for lenders to issue. As a result, loans that are secured by someone form of collateral are commonly offered with lower interest rates. Lastly, condition. The condition of the company is considered as good since the Sweet Sensations Bakery is the third bakery that will be opened downtown, so that it will create a high demand of the customer and clients. In addition, Ms. Shuhaida also intends to use the loans to open a new branch for the bakery business and will be used to buy new equipment and renovation. Hence, we may approve those loans because of this specific purpose rather than a signature loan which could be used for anything. So that's all for me about the creditworthiness analysis report of Ms. Shuhaida's business, which is the Sweet Sensation Bakery.
Thank you, Ms. Farah, for explaining details about the creditworthiness analysis of the Sweet Sensation Bakery. As the Credit Committee Department of Maybank, I would like to consider the application of the business loan and credit from Ms. Shuhaida. As a credit committee, I typically meet on a regular basis to consider and vote on the new application for finance and also decide whether to amend or extend existing finance arrangement. Based on the explanation and evaluation, I have decided that the loan is approved. And based on the creditworthiness analysis report, this bakery is able to repay the loan within the time given by the lender, which is 100,000 ringgit for about 3 years. This is because this company has enough assets and profits that can cover any expenses or debts of the company, such as secured cars and mortgages that secured by the first and second bakeries. In addition, the debt-to-income ratio of the business is also low, which shows that she will be able to pay the loan without any hesitation. Hence, the loan is approved and we can proceed as soon as possible.